New class. New class.
Oh,
Old one.
sometime new.
Sometime new. Okay.
Something.
Yeah, we try new. Let us see. It's okay. My hands on the knees. Left hand back straight. Yamak, eyes closed. Watch and observe your breathing. Hit power, one more. Inhale, exhale through nostril. And relax your whole body. Now take your mind middle of the eyebrow center, and try to see a light, a candle flame, middle of the eyebrow center. Now rub your palms to tummy. More. And make a cup and keep in front of the closed eyes. Feel the heat, the temperature, the energy, and slowly release your palms. Slowly open your eyes, look palms. Mama, namaste. Kings out. Most welcome to this class. Have a nice day. So can I come hand straight. So now heat palm. Antara. Come on, heat palm. Antara. Heat palm. Trabak mo isa na heat palm. Antara. So 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 na heat palm. Antara, relax. Come on. Hands. Keep eyes closed, Amak. Watch and observe your breathing. Hit Thara, one more. Slowly open your eyes. Baba. Okay. So now, Nashana, do left. So now come to the front of the mat. Right? Front. Put the palms together, middle of the chest. Normal breathing and natural breathing. Don't hold your breath. Okay? So ready, 1, 2, 3, start from. So now inhale, exhale, raise your hand and go back. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now bend forward, and hand down. And try to touch forehead to the knee, chin hand, head down. Go 5, 4, good. 3, 2, 1. Your right leg back. Look, mentor. Right leg back. Good. And drop. And come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See mentor. Body not down, not up. Here, good, thank you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop knee. Sorry, now chest between two arms and chin. Chest and chin. Good, come 5, 4, touch your chin. 3, 2, 1. So now feet together. And feet together. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Come on, downward. And try to touch top. Touch your feet. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now right leg from between two palms. Your right leg. Yes. So now both feet from and head down. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now inhale, exhale, raise your hand, go back, raise your hand. Come on. Hit both, come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms together. Come on. Palms together. Middle of the chest. You good? Doing good both? Yes, all are good. So this is the half round. Right leg we take and bring. Now left leg. So one round. Come on. So now inhale, exhale. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come. So now bend forward. Hand down and head down. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now left leg back. Your left leg. Good. And down. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. So body straight, down a little bit, down. Then look me. It's not full down. Come a little bit down. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop knee. Chest and chin. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cobra. Feet together. Right. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come downward. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now left leg front. Left leg front. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now inhale, exhale, right hand and go back. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come palms together, middle of the chest. So this is one round. So, okay, like this is if you count like 1, 2, 3, so like 12 postures. So this is prayer to the sun salutation. Now second round. So now inhale, exhale. Don't hold your breath, just ready. 1, 2, 3. Now so now inhale, exhale, raise your hand and go back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now bend forward, palms down to the floor and head down. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, right leg back. Right leg back. Right leg back. Just go down. Come 5. Drop knees. 4, 3. Yes. 2, 1. Come back. Body down. Nidra, look me. Nidra. Yes, come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop knee. Just touching. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg front. Right leg front. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come. Both feet front, head down. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now inhale, exhale, raise your hand, go back. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come palms together, lift up the chest. Other half round. So now inhale, exhale, right hand, go back. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now bend forward, head down. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now left leg back. Left leg back. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Back. Come 5. Little bit more down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop knee. Just between two palms and chin to the floor. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now left leg front. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Feet front, head down. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now inhale, exhale, raise your hand and go back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms together, middle of the chest. Keep eyes closed, your mark. And hip out, back and forward. So you open your eyes. Come on, now sit down. Nice. So when you have no time, you can do this one. This one is like many postures combination. This is like this name is Sankalpa. Sankalpa, prayer to the sun. So when you do this one, we get energy from the sun. So that's why the name is Sankalpa. You see, this is like you see, just observe me. This is like 12. Moi high, like 12 postures. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Like a song has 12 plays in 12 months and 12 hours. So 12 hours, 24 hours one day. So this is we do right and then left. So this is the original Sankalpa. Song, S-U-N, song. S-U-N, song. Yeah.
Salutation.
Yes, prayer to the sun. So this one, like this. So this is in yoga. Sun.
Đây là cái bài đặt
Sáng.
chào mặt trời. Nó có 12 động tác, từ 12 giờ, 12 con giáp.
So prayer. Good. Okay, now spread your leg. Hand side. Keep your hand side. So okay, we will do the same one. Just today remember. This is hip bow. Antara. Come on, hip bow. Antara. Come on, hip bow. Antara. So now hip bow. Hip bow. From. Antara. So now hip bow. Antara. So now hip bow. Antara. Hip bow. Antara. Relax. So now ankle rotation. Come on. Hip bow. Antara. Come on. Hip bow. Antara. So now 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 hip bow. Antara. Relax. So now wide both legs. Your right leg. Right ankle rotation. Come 1. Chin tightly straight. 2.
Clockwise, anti-clockwise.
Yes. So any no problem. First you clockwise and then anti-clockwise. 3, 4, 5. So then reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So left ankle. 3, 4, 5. Reverse go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now both together. Put together. So now 2, 3, 4, 5. So now reverse go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now your right leg. Right hand, left hand. So now go and pull this and place. Come 1, 2. That's okay. Pull and raise back. 3, 4, and 5. So now reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sorry, go on. So now your left leg. Good. Left leg. Left hand here, right hand. Okay. Go on. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now reverse go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. So you finish this one. So now, so right leg, your right leg. Go on to reverse. This is hip bow. Inhale, pull your toes outside. Athara. Go outside. Exhale. So now hip bow. Inhale. Athara. Exhale. So now hip bow. Inhale. Exhale. Thara. Hip bow. Inhale and exhale. So now hip bow. Inhale. Exhale. So now hip bow, inhale, Thara, exhale. Hip bow, inhale, Thara, exhale. Hip bow, inhale, Thara, exhale. Relax. Relax. So now left. So first, this is hip bow and Thara, approach body first. So now hip bow and Thara. 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 So now hip bow. So now hip bow and Thara, relax. So now your right leg. Your right leg. Okay, good. And back straight. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now reverse go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now change the leg. Here, cross. Back step. Come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse come 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now you again right leg. Your right leg forward. This step. So this is hip bow and Thara. So my hip bow and Thara. So my hip bow and Thara. hip up, Anthara. So now 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 hip up, Anthara. Relax. Left leg closer, heel close. Come on, hip up, Anthara. Come on, hip up, Anthara. Come on, hip up, Anthara. So my hip up, Anthara. So my hip up, Anthara. Hip up, Anthara. Relax. Come on, relax. So can I both legs together, butterfly. Sound. Okay. Okay. Now come on. You can keep both here and press a little bit. Come on, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anthara. Again right leg forward. So now hip joint rotation. You have to make a circle here. See, like this. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now reverse back. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change the leg.